Welcome to the ChurchBooks3 Online Church Ledger tutorial. In this short video, you'll learn how to manage your church finances quickly, accurately, and with confidence using the ChurchBooks3 Online Church Ledger system. From tracking deposits and expenses to printing reports and monitoring balances, ChurchBooks3 makes church bookkeeping simple and organized. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, click Church Ledger. This section allows you to manage monthly ledger statements, accounts, deposits, expenses, and transactions all in one place. View all ledgers. Here you can view all ledger statements for your church. Use the convenient quarterly quick view buttons to easily access and review statements throughout the year. You can quickly open, review, or edit any ledger statement as needed. Add a new ledger. To create a new ledger statement, click the Add Ledger button. Enter the ledger name, month, year, and beginning or ending balance. When finished, click Add Ledger to save your new statement. View Ledger Statement. To open the ledger statement you just created, click View Statement under the All Statements section. From here, you can begin entering and managing your financial transactions. Print and email reports. All ledger reports can be easily printed or emailed to church staff, treasurers, or administrators for review and record keeping. This makes sharing financial information simple and professional. Ledger Summary. At the top of the page, the Ledger Summary provides a quick overview of your finances. This includes your opening balance, total deposits, total debits, and your current running balance. This summary helps maintain financial accountability and transparency. Chart of accounts. Before entering transactions, make sure your income and expense accounts have been added for this ledger. Add a transaction. To enter a new transaction, click the Add Transaction button. Select the post type and transaction date. Next, enter the reference number and select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. Edit Chart of Accounts. If your accounts have not yet been added, simply click the Edit link to update your chart of accounts. This allows you to customize your income and expense categories for your church's needs. Transaction Description. Next, enter a clear description for the transaction. Detailed descriptions help improve reporting accuracy and make future record searches easier. Enter transaction amount. Now enter the transaction amount. For debit or expense transactions, be sure to place a minus sign before the amount. Once complete, click Add Transaction to save the entry. Current Balance Summary. The ledger summary at the top of the page automatically updates to display your current balance for the month. This allows you to instantly monitor your church finances in real time. Outstanding checks. To mark a check as outstanding, simply select the checkbox under the outstanding column for that transaction. This helps simplify bank reconciliation and financial tracking. Print checks. Checks can be printed directly from the debit transaction line. This allows your church to quickly process payments while maintaining accurate records. Edit transactions. To make changes to an existing transaction, simply click the edit icon beside the transaction entry. You can quickly update transaction details whenever needed. Thank you for watching the ChurchBooks3 Online Church Ledger tutorial. ChurchBooks3 was designed to help churches simplify bookkeeping, improve accountability, and save valuable time. To learn more, start your free trial, or explore additional church management features, visit ChurchBooks3.com. We appreciate the opportunity to serve your ministry.